Hi and welcome back to Learn with Nia. Today we're going to learn how to make a YouTube banner for your channel on Canva. So the first thing we need to do is go to Canva. Now YouTube banners need to be 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. So we need to remember that and check that when we'll be downloading our banner at the end of this video. So we will put in here YouTube banner because that's what we want to make, and it will give us some templates. Now there are some templates here, lots of different styles again. If you remember in the last video I told you that anything with a little crown like there means that it's in the Pro plan. I have signed up to the Pro plan because you get a lot more choice when it comes to templates, and I use a lot of Canva. You may not need to sign up at all, and you can do really well just using the free version. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm just going to use something pretty simple. I think I want to go for something sort of black. This black and pink is quite nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. I don't know if that's the right colour to match my logo, but we'll see, and we can probably change it when we go in to change the design. I'm going to go for this because it's nice and plain, a little bit bright, hopefully a bit like me, perhaps not. I'll customize this template, so we click on customize this template, and here we have it. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is upload my logo. And if you haven't seen that video yet, you can click here and go and watch that video where I show you how to make a really quick logo using Canva. Okay, so we are going to upload our logo. Okay, I'm going to find my logo and just drag it in. I'm dragging it in here. So here's my logo. I can now use this on the banner. So I'm going to drag it in. There it is. Okay, I want to get rid of this, so I can click on the middle and click delete image, and I want to delete that image as well. Okay, so I don't need this text, so I can delete that as well. You can just click delete on your computer. So we want Learn with Nia. I'm going to change this banner around a little bit to suit what we want. I want to change this colour to be the same colour as the logo, so I'm going to go with that. It's a bit plain, a bit insipid. I don't know. Let's try. I'm going to put that central, and I don't think I'll use this twirl. I'm going to get rid of that as well, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, these little corner pieces, they're all separate, which is a bit of a pain, so perhaps we'll just delete them. We'll just delete it all, and we'll delete all of that as well. Delete. Okay, we could crop that image perhaps. Let's crop it a bit and just have less of the... Have less of that. A bit better. Central. There we go. I mean, that's okay. It's not great. It's okay. I've done this to this point. It's not too bad. It's not great, but it's all right. So if I'm going to move the logo there, and I'm going to put some text in here. Okay. So I'm going to put text in. I'm going to add a text box, and it's going to be as a heading, I think. Right. Okay. I'm going to go to ChatGPT because I need some help. If you type in ChatGPT OpenAI, okay. Accept that and start now. Then we can ask ChatGPT. We can just put a message in here and say, I have a new YouTube channel called Learn with Nia. Can you please write a tagline for my channel? It is about setting up a new YouTube setting up a new YouTube channel and tips and tutorials on how to use Canva, CapCut, etc. Right, okay, we put that into ChatGPT. Hopefully ChatGPT will give us an answer. Unlock your creativity, master YouTube and design with Nia. Ooh, quite nice. Can you give me another one, please? I like to be polite when I ask ChatGPT. Politeness costs nothing, as all my grandparents always used to tell me. Okay, create, edit, succeed, your guide to YouTube mastery with Nia. Ooh, that's nice as well. I'm teaching over 40s. Can you add this in, please? Empowering creatives 40 plus, master YouTube and design with Nia. Wow, that's a good one. Thank you, ChatGPT. Thank you. I'm copying that and I'm going to go back now to my banner and I'm going to paste that in. Right, it is massive. Okay, we'll get rid of the bit where I said of course. Empowering creatives 40 plus, master YouTube and design with me. Wow, that's very good, isn't it? Right, okay, we need it smaller. I'll just keep pressing the size. Right, we can have 2 lines there, so we can go like that. I don't want it centre aligned, I want it aligned left, so I'm going to click on the alignment tab there. It's not doing it. Okay, I must have to highlight it first and then align right. There we go. Okay. Okay, I don't like that text. I want it to be more like this text. So I'm going to change the font. What did we have? Something like that. Undone is kind of similar. I don't want that paragraph text, so I'm just going to click on that and press the trash can to delete. Empowering creatives 40 plus, master YouTube and design with Nia. Okay, it could go a little bit bigger now, so I'm going to increase the font size. I'm going to make it so that it's more or less the same size as, same height as my A in Nia. So where are we? Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. And I might change the colour of that font. Let's put it in. It's not working. Okay. We have to highlight it. We'll highlight it by just clicking and dragging over it, and we'll change the colour. There we go. That's not quite the same colour. I'm not totally happy with that. Right. That seems darker. Let's change the colour of these to be darker as well. Yeah. Not bad. Decent enough banner. I mean, you could put your photo in it if you wanted to. If you wanted to add something to it. I think it's plain and simple. It says what my channel's about. Learn with Nia, empowering creatives 40 plus, master YouTube and design with Nia. That's what it's about. So I'm quite happy with that. So what we need to do now is save that. So we're going to go to share. I'll move my window over a bit. We're going to go to share and we're going to go to download. And remember I said earlier about the 2560 by 1440 pixels. Well, it's already made it that size for us because we used a YouTube banner template. Okay, so we're going to download that. And it's downloading. So we can use that now on our YouTube channel, which we will be doing in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications. See you in the next one.